everyone, it's Lisa from Moon Prism Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be doing my daily plan with me in my undated Bloom daily planners. This is the notes, goals, and to-dos planner. I actually didn't film yesterday's plan with me, daily plan with me, but I did write some stuff, but I just, I don't know, I just was kind of busy and I felt like I didn't really want to film it, so I did not. Today I'm going to be using a tool pen that I got from Go Wild 2019, and let's just go ahead and get started. So today is the 28th. For breakfast I had a fruit salad, which was 1 point. I use Weight Watchers and that's what my points are. For lunch, I'm gonna have some salmon and salad. That's gonna be plus quinoa, so that's gonna be 4. And then for dinner, I'm gonna have some soup. Which is gonna be 0. I'm gonna have apples and peanut butter for snack as well, since it's kind of a low point day. And that'll be 3 points right there. It's been getting really hot outside, so I didn't do my walk yesterday, so I ended up not doing this 20 minutes of cardio business. But so I don't know what I want to do since it's starting to get so hot now. We're already gonna hit 100 degrees. We're gonna be in the hundreds this week. So it's like either I need to either walk, you know, really early in the morning or like late at night when it's dark, and I don't kind of want to do either one of those. So I'll just try to do some like, I don't know, like arm curls or something, like an arm workout maybe. I have some weights that I can use. Let's see if I can do something like that. And for today, I'm grateful for Amazon because I really needed to get some stuff, and luckily they are still delivering. So for today, I need to create my May budget since it is almost May. I also need to wash the litter box, and I need to clean our bedroom and the closet. Again, those are just kind of like ongoing tasks. The bedroom is because it's like deep cleaning. It's bedroom and bathroom, but right now it's just bedroom. I want to do my 2020 lineup, which is kind of late, but at least it's within the first 6 months of the year. And then I'm going to sort through my planners because I want to do that planner throwback tag by In Kiara's Life and Tulip Babies. So I want to do their tag, but I need to sort through my planners and find all those old spreads. So that should be fun. So my priorities today are going to be my May budget, because finances stress me out, the litter box because it is dirty and needs to be cleaned, and then the closet. I need to keep up with doing that so we can finally get it all nice and neat and organized. And that is it for my daily plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, and definitely subscribe if you're not already but you'd like to see more videos from me. I hope that you all take care, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.